Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lina and I'm your Russian teacher. Today we're gonna talk about confusing twins that every Russian learner mixes up. Actually, two pairs of twins. Russian words разный and другой both mean different. And одинаковый and такой же both mean the same. But they are not interchangeable. Use them wrong and you'll sound like you're saying something completely different from what you actually mean. Let's break them down. First, let's talk about разный versus другой. Different. Imagine you're looking at some things and they are completely different, distinct from each other. They have their differences. In this case, you will use the word разный. Pay attention that this word we always use in plural. So it's разные when you compare two things that are completely different. Like, they are different people. Они разные люди. Or у меня есть маркеры разных цветов. Красный, синий, зеленый. Разные цвета. Also we can say у них разные вкусы. Разные вкусы. Again, it's all in plural. Now, the word другой. Другой is about substitution or some alternatives. You're not saying that two things are different from each other. No, you're saying not this one, the other one, the different one. Like, мне нужен другой маркер. Этот не пишет. So I need a different, another. Or we can have a dialogue. Тебе нравится этот фильм? Нет, давай посмотрим другой. Let's watch another one. So different movie, not this one. We're not comparing things here. We just look for some alternative or substitution. Let's say it again. The same examples, let's take two sisters. We have two sisters. Firstly, we're saying они разные. Одна блондинка, другая брюнетка. Они разные. Also, I can say эта девушка моя сестра, а другая девушка моя подруга. See the difference? Разный is about characteristics, and другой it's about replacement. Pay attention that if you want to say different from, if you try to compare things, these two words won't work here. We don't have this construction in Russian. Разный от, другой от, it doesn't exist. If you want to do that, you have to use the verb. The verb will be отличаться, to be different from. Like, эта футболка отличается от той футболки. Эта футболка отличается от той футболки. Same will be if we say это разные футболки. Use them both at the same time. Это разные футболки. Or эта футболка другая. Она не такая, как та. Эта футболка другая. Она не такая, как та. And let's move on to the second part, where we will discuss the word the same. Little surprise here, it won't be two words. It's going to be more. Usually we compare одинаковый versus такой же. But here I also want to add another one that is also translated as the same. That will be тот же самый. So let's start with the main word одинаковый. Одинаковый, it's when two or more things are exactly the same. They are identical. Again, this one, same as разный, we will usually use in plural because when you use одинаковый, you want to focus on two things at the same time. У них одинаковые маркеры. У них одинаковые маркеры. Or у нас одинаковые футболки. Одинаковые футболки. Again, they're exactly the same. So, these are two separate t-shirts that look exactly the same. This is not about one object. That's about two or more things that are exactly the same. Then another one, такой же. Такой же is close to одинаковый, but this one can be focused on one object. Not like одинаковый is always focused on two objects. So, такой же, такая же, такой же. So, the phrase from the previous example, у нас одинаковые футболки, we can say here by replacing a little bit the grammatical construction. Like I can say, у меня такая же футболка, как у тебя. You see, here we can do a comparison. Like I have the same shirt as you have. У нас одинаковые футболки, у меня такая же футболка, как у тебя. Or окно слева такое же, как окно справа. Окно слева такое же, как окно справа. Это одинаковые окна. And the last one, тот же самый. Sometimes you could hear the forms like один и тот же самый, один и тот же, means that it's the one and only object, not a copy, not a similar one. Here we're talking about the same object, one object. Я использую тот же самый маркер каждый день. Я использую тот же самый маркер каждый день, meaning that I use the very same marker every day. So I have just one. Same will be if I say я использую один и тот же маркер. These two are exactly the same. Or мы были в том же самом кафе в прошлом году. Мы были в том же самом кафе в прошлом году. One coffee shop. Not a copy, not a similar one, the same. The very same coffee shop. Quick comparison одинаковый versus тот же самый. У них одинаковые чашки. У них одинаковые чашки. And я пью кофе из той же самой чашки каждое утро. Я пью кофе из той же самой чашки каждое утро. I have one cup and I always use this one. Comparing to the previous sentence where they have the same, the identical cups, but two different ones, not one. For instance, you want to say we have the same mobile phone, meaning that you have the same model. But instead of saying у нас одинаковые телефоны, you end up saying у нас тот же самый телефон. It makes no sense because у нас тот же самый телефон has an idea that you're sharing one phone. So be careful here. And that's it. Practice these words with your own examples. Try to compare things to each other. And like this, you will memorize better these rules. I know it's a little bit tricky. Why do we have so many words for that? Why some construction works like this, another one works like that? But that's Russian. A lot of things are difficult here. If this video helped you, subscribe to my channel and learn Russian with me. Пока-пока!